Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today it's my Friday finish. So a few weeks ago I opened the mini masterpiece set from PaintGem. At the time I promised that I would do a time lapse, let you know exactly how long a single one of these little pictures would take. And that is exactly what I've done. So, cue the time lapse. I hope that you really enjoyed that. I certainly enjoyed completing this canvas. The shine on this is unbelievable, and I'm not sure whether the camera will pick it up as well as it is in real life, but it was certainly an absolute pleasure to do and is a real example of when squares are good quality and how much more joy you get creating a picture when the squares are square. So since completing that one, I've also gone ahead and completed a few more, and I've got a selection of different frames for you to have a look at as well. This little one I just had kicking about the house, but it is a standard sort of glass fronted clip frame. You can pick them up fairly cheaply at a dollar store or whatever your equivalent will be. The other frames I've got are from IKEA. This wooden frame I've had kicking about for a while, but I know it's an IKEA one because we've got a few of them. I don't remember what these ones were called, but you can pick them up incredibly cheaply. I think they came in packs of 3, maybe as many as 5, but I thought that the wood really complemented the Mona Lisa mini canvas. The girl with a pearl earring, she has got, her background is all 310, so I went with a black frame to complement that. Again, even with it's not a glass frame, it's like a perspex thin plastic, but even with that in there, you can still see the shine on the drills is really picked up. And as I explained in the unboxing, it doesn't seem to matter that these images are small and pixel style. You get the essence of the artwork and you can still easily tell what it is. Finally, we've got the Mondrian, which I popped in a white frame because it's super modern and I thought that the white just complemented again. This was probably the quickest one to do because it is just colour blocking. I've got one that I haven't framed yet, which is the Scream by Edvard Munch, and then I've got a few more still to work on. So far though, absolutely no complaints. I've really enjoyed it, and I will just show you how little we've had in the way of bad drills. Down a bit, there we go. So yeah, a couple of little bits of flashing in there, a couple of dimpled drills, but considering how many pictures I've created already. You know, I'm very pleased with that. I'm really happy. Do remember that if you want to get yourself a set of these mini masterpieces, or indeed any of the pictures that are available on the PaintGem website, you can do so and get 10% off using my code, THECRAFTYWITCHUK. So super simple, easy to remember. Last week I unboxed their slightly larger canvas with showing the Back to the Future 80s style car. That is still available on their website, I believe, if you want to go and check that out. And of course, check out my unboxing video as well. I will have more coming up soon from PaintGem, and I cannot wait to share them all with you. I think they are fast becoming my new favourite company. Certainly, as far as squares are concerned, honestly, I have nothing bad to say. So that is all from me for today. Just a super quick update showing you the finishes and giving you some examples of the frames. I will pop some links to the IKEA website so that you can find the frames should you wish to purchase your own. And of course, do let me know down in the comments if you have purchased these or any of their other canvases and what you thought of the quality. I'm going to leave this here. Please do consider to leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!